Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily complete this specific daily request. It says, scan Robins to get one info card with 2 stars or above. So you're just going to go up to Bailey's house and you'll see robins everywhere. So just take pictures here. To get 2 stars, just make it so that the bird is in the middle and it's not that far, and you'll instantly get 2 stars. So it is that easy. You don't have to search for the robins anywhere. You just need to go to Bailey's place to do that. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.